Dear students, welcome to lecture 4 on Taylor's theorem. Now we will see the examples to find the approximate values by using Taylor's theorem. Now let us see the example here. Use the Taylor's theorem to find value of square root of 25.15. Now we will write first it is in which form. 25 is the square root of something, so it will be easy for you. So 25 plus 0.15 means it is in which form? F of x plus h form. So we get f of x plus h is equal to square root of x plus h, where x means what now? 25 and h is equal to 0.15. This is clear first. This is written in the form of f of x plus h. Now if f of x plus h is square root of x plus h, means f of x is equal to what? Square root of x. So what we will be doing now? Let us solve, friend. Now which type of the form will be easy for us to use? F of x plus h. Taylor's theorem for f of x plus h. This form is used. F of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h into f dash x plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash x plus h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash x and so on. So what we will write first? One by one it is written. F of x is written first. F of x is equal to what? Square root of x. F of x is square root of x. Means f of x means what? F of 25. X value is what? 25. So it is equal to square root of 25 and that value is what? 5. Next which value will find? F dash of x. F dash of x is equal to derivative of root x, that is 1 upon 2 root x. Means 1 upon 2 x raised to minus 1 by 2. Then we f dash 25 will find, that is 1 upon 2 into 5. Square root of 25's value I have written as 5, means it is 1 by 10. Then f double dash of x. F double dash of x means derivative of this 1 by 2 as it is, then minus 1 by 2 raised to x into x raised to minus 3 by 2, means minus 1 by 4 x raised to minus 3 by 2. Just put x is equal to 25, means f double dash 25 you will get, that is minus 1 by 4 and this is what? X raised to minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means what? If downside you take, it will be x raised to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 1 by 2 means square root. Square root is what? 5. Means what? It is 5 raised to 3. So your answer will be minus 1 upon 500. Next derivative will take minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 by 2 into x raised to minus 5 by 2. Then f triple dash of 25. It will be 3 by 8 into x raised to downside x raised to 5 by 2, means what? 5 raised to 5. So this way, then these all the values we will put in the Taylor's theorem. Taylor's theorem used in this form. F of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h into f dash x plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash x plus h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of x. Just put the value. F of x is 5, h is 0.15 into f dash x is 1 by 10, then h square is 0.15 square, and then remaining value of f double dash of x into this 2 factorial h cube upon 3 factorial into f triple dash x value. Just simplify this all the values and then just add your approximate value will be here 5.01478. Now same way one more example, see that to find the value using Taylor's theorem, find sine 30 degree and 30 minutes. Now sine 30 degree 30 minutes. First what is done? 30 minute. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Means 30 minutes means what? Half degree. Half degree is written as 0.5 degree. So f of x plus h is equal to sine 30 plus 0.5 degree. Means it is what? Sine of x plus h, where x means 30 and h is equal to 0.5. So naturally again you will write in the form of fx. Fx is equal to what? Sin x. Because f of x plus h is what? Sin of x plus h. Then fx will find sin 30, x value is 30, so sin 30 means 1 by 2. Same f dash x will find, f dash x is what? Sin x derivative is cos x. Then cos of 30, that is root 3 by 2. Then f double dash of x, cos x derivative, that is minus sin x. Then its value f double dash of x at 30 degree, that is minus 1 by 2. Same way we will find f triple dash of x, that is what? Minus cos x, and its value will be what? Cos 30 means minus 1 by 2. Now what's remaining? You'll write the Taylor's theorem and put this all of the values. Just see that what it will be. F of x plus h. Theorem is fx plus h into f dash x plus s square upon 2 factorial f double dash x plus h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of x. Now we have just put the values. All values we found already. Half plus 0.5 is h value into f dash x plus h square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus 0.5 cube means h cube upon 3 factorial, 3 into 2, and this is what? F triple dash of x. This all values you have written, and just simplify this carefully, and then your final answer comes 0.50735. It is very simple. Now I think you can solve the more example. Just 2 examples I have written for your homework, and some hints are also given for that. Just see the example. First example is root 10. Now just now one example is solved here for like root 25.15 like this. So here is root 10. How you will be solving this example? This you will write as square root of 9 plus 1. Means again it is in the form of what? F of x plus h is equal to square root of 9 plus 1 is equal to, means f of x plus h is what? Square root of x plus h. X value will be 9, h value will be 1, and then you will use this Taylor's form. Then you will get the answer. Your final answer is 3.1623. Next is next example, tan inverse of 1.003's value you want to find. Again this will be written as tan inverse of 1 plus 0.003 means tan inverse of x plus h. Naturally again fx will be what? Tan inverse x. Again derivatives and all you will take. Your final answer for this is, just simplify, solve, you will get the answer 0.78690. So thank you very much. Here we complete the Taylor's theories.